Discover how T4S Partners can revolutionize your facilities and field service management. Our cutting-edge solutions are designed to boost productivity and enhance customer satisfaction. Our innovative solutions offer real-time work order tracking. Stay updated and manage tasks efficiently with instant notifications. Need a solution tailored to your unique business needs? T4S Partners offers customizable workflows that adapt to your service delivery requirements. Empower your mobile workforce with seamless management. Our solutions include push notifications and offline support to keep your team connected. Centralize your data and automate everyday tasks. Our solution enables informed decisions and ensures compliance, whether dealing with planned or reactive maintenance. Streamline your operations and empower your team to deliver exceptional service. Learn how T4S Partners can help you today.